Hey everyone, Xfinity Remote Unresponsive. This step by step guide covers all models and walks you through precise troubleshooting to get it working fast. Replace the batteries in your remote with the fresh ones and make sure they are installed correctly. Restart your Xfinity TV box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and test the remote. If it still doesn't work, reset or repair the remote by following the on screen instructions or holding the setup button as shown in your remote's manual. If the LED on the remote does not flash or flashes red 5 times, the battery are very low and should be replaced. Stuck, unresponsive, or damaged buttons can prevent the remote from sending commands. The remote may lose its pairing with the TV box, especially after resets, power cycles, or software updates requiring repairing to work again. Software update to the TV box or remote can sometimes cause intermittent or persistent remote failures which may require resetting or updating the device. Physical barriers or electronic interference can block the signal between the remote and the TV box, especially for IR remotes. Problems with the Xfinity TV box itself, slow response due to network delays, or faulty connection can also cause the remote to stop working or respond slowly. Why Xfinity remote not working? The Xfinity remote may not work because the batteries are dead or low. There are pairing or signal issues with the TV box or the remote's button or hardware are faulty. Restarting the TV box or repairing the remote can also help resolve temporary glitches. If these steps don't help, the remote may need to be reset or replaced. Fix one, check and replace the batteries. Dead or weak batteries are the most common cause of remote failure. Fresh batteries ensure the remote has enough power to transmit signals. Open the battery compartment on the back of your remote. Remove the old batteries, insert new batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Fix 2. Remove obstructions and ensure line of sight. Objects between the remote and the TV box can block infrared IR signals, preventing communication. Remove any objects between your remote and the Xfinity box. Make sure you are within 15 to 20 feet of the device. Fix 3. Restart the Xfinity TV box. Restarting the box clears temporary software glitches that may prevent the remote from working. Unplug your Xfinity TV box from power, wait 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in and let it full reboot before testing the remote. Fix 4. Check the remote buttons. Stuck or unresponsive buttons can prevent the remote from sending commands. Press each button to check if any are stuck. If a button is stuck, press it repeatedly to try to release it. Fix 5. Reset the remote. Resets clears any misconfiguration or pairing issues that may be causing problem. For XR2, XR5, XR11 with setup button, hold the setup button until the LED turns green. Enter 981. The LED will blink green twice to confirm reset. For XR15, no setup button. Hold the A triangle and D diagonal buttons until the LED turns green. Enter 981. The LED will blink blue 3 times to confirm reset. Fix 6. Repair the remote. Repairing reestablishes the connection between the remote and the TV box, solving pairing issues. With setup button, hold the setup button until the LED turns green. Press the Xfinity button until the LED flashes green. Enter the pairing code displayed on your TV screen. Without setup button, hold the info and Xfinity buttons together until the LED turns green. Enter the on-screen pairing code. Fix 7. Reset the Xfinity box. A full reset can resolve deeper firmware or communication issues between the box and remote. Locate the reset button on the back of the Xfinity box. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds and then release. Wait for the box to reboot and test the remote. Fix 8. Try the Xfinity app as a remote. If your physical remote is faulty, the Xfinity app can control your TV box, confirming if the issue is with the remote of the box. Download and open the Xfinity app on your smartphone. Navigate to the remote setup option and follow on screen prompt. Fix 9. Contact Xfinity support or replace the remote. If all else fails, the remote may be defective. Xfinity support can help diagnose or replace your remote. Visit the Xfinity support website or call customer service, request a replacement or further troubleshooting assistance. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.